for Node 3, if you're facing this application error of 0xc0000005, it is quite easy to fix. So you need to do multiple things. The first thing is you need to go to search, and here you need to type in for run, RUN, and hit enter. And here you have to type gp edit.msc. So group edit msc, and once you have typed that, press OK. And this opens up. You need to simply go, and I will make it bigger. So go to administrative templates, and here inside go to window components. A lot of time this error occurs because Windows Defender is blocking a lot of things. So what you need to do is just go here. You can see Microsoft Defender Antivirus, click that. And here what you need to do is you need to find a way to pause the Defender. So for that you need to go to this turn off Microsoft Defender Antivirus, open it. And make sure it is enabled. So enabled means it is turned off. So turn off, enabled. Press OK. Now close it. Now the second thing that you could do is you could go to the search and here typing for settings. Open the settings. And here in the system, scroll to the bottom, click on about. And here go to advanced system settings. Inside here in advanced, go to performance, click on settings. Here go to data execution prevention and turn this on. So turn on DEP for all programs and services. Click apply. Yeah, now it's requires a restart. So press OK, press OK, press OK, close. And now just restart the computer. And once you have restarted, you need to open up the Nova 3 as administrator. Right click, run as administrator. So if you do so, restart the computer, everything will be fixed. Please like the video before going. I hope it helped.